Hello everyone, welcome to Scalping Titans Live, your go-to spot for trading with confidence. I'm Roy, and alongside is the ever vigilant MSK. Up to you, MSK.
I'm audible?
Yeah,
Oh. Hello, everyone. This is MSK here. Today we are back with another live session in a New York session. Let's see how market reacts, and we are hoping some good calls and a good analysis. Let's do it.
thank you so much, MSK. So let's start with the if there is any, if we are expecting any event today. So let's go to Forex Factory. So in the Forex Factory, Monday is quite silent. There was a news on CHF, CPI month. So I think so that if we have seen any movement in gold, it might be because of um, this news in CHF. But let's go to the chart first. So I'm having DXY weekly chart ahead of me. So let me explain if someone does not know about DXY. DXY is basically it's a dollar currency index. So let's see this one. So this is the weekly. So on weekly time frame, there is a trend line over here. So okay, there is another trend line. Apparently it seems to work. Yeah. So that's the thing. If we see any support on weekly, so yes, there is a support over here as well. Sorry, resistance. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. Actually, I'm not feeling well. You can see my voice is not good today. I'm having some flu and cough and fever. So if any mistakes, I do apologize. So these are the um, this is the area where on weekly time frame it's making some support. So let's go to the daily. Yeah, things are getting clear. So if we see the price was making so DXY, it was making previously lower lows and lower highs, but this thing is broken now. So this trend was broken. Now DXY is forming another trend, like that's the trend. So let me give it to the purple color. Okay, so there might be a bearish flag pattern. So on daily time frame, this is a possibility. So if it happens, so the price projection may be there can be ABCD pattern as well, but at the moment this may be a bearish flag pattern. So if it happens, so um, the price projection may be up to this level. If you see, yeah, there is some area here near to this projection level. Yeah, that's the one. So this is DXY on daily time frame. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So what's gonna happen over here? So on 4-hour time frame, I'm sorry, there is a this trend line is working, okay, which is daily time frame, and if you see, uh, price is breaking this trend line. So the next support available, or we can say the region where we may expect some resistance on 4-hour time frame, if is that's the region on 4-hour time frame. At the moment, price is struggling at this area. Price is struggling at this area. Yeah. If this level, sorry, if this level 103 103.768, if it's broken, then we can say that this is a breakout of bearish flag pattern. So there may be one spot over here as well, but definitely once a trend line is broken, price goes up to retest the price, or the if this spot breaks, then price would come down, then would go up to retest this level as well. So then we would see if the retest is successful or not. So for 1-hour time frame, let's see. So at the moment, yeah, this is the critical zone. Price is testing this zone. So let's see how does its index it works over here as well. So over to you, Mr. MSK. Yeah.
So let me share my screen. Then we will start working on trading view. I guess there is an issue of uh, my screen is visible,
Yeah, it's visible.
but I am having an issue of multi-screen. Is
That's
it
fine.
visible? Let me check. Is it visible or not? Let me check. On the, okay. So I'm currently having a issue with the Zoom, I guess. Let me now. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are heading towards BTC now. Let's see what's going on the BTC chart currently. On the BTC chart, so previously on the monthly time frame, as I gave you a levels for the bullish side as well. Those levels, the first level was 64,860. The second level was 66,915. Third level was 68,994. Currently, it's BTC just showing huge bullish movements on the monthly candle. If we switch it to weekly time frame, there is still a resistance right there, which is this area and this level. These two are our resistance level, and it's really close to tap this area and tap this area. Currently, I'm expecting BTC to test its second bullish level, which is 6689, 67,000, and this next level is 68,942. These are the two major levels for the BTC on the daily chart and the weekly chart. On the daily chart, if we look at the BTC, price created a higher low over here, and market went up towards this level. I can see a little bit rejection on this zone, which is 67,000. And if we switch it to 4-hour chart, if we switch it to 4-hour chart, as we can see clearly, these are the levels. And still, I think if we look at the volumes are still there, but we can expect a rejection from 67,000 to 68, 66, 850. I will write this area rejection 66, 850, 67,000. These are the two levels now currently. Market will tap this area like this as a wick. It will go up and it will tap like this. And we will expect another movement, a downside retracement, which is if we mark the Fibonacci levels, and it will be our retracement level will be 63,945. So here is a BTC analysis for you all. Now I will switch it to gold chart. Let's see what's going on with the gold. As you can see,
Something great is going on the gold.
yeah, it's very
It was really a marvelous move today.
exactly.
Yeah. Gold is going to break everything, it seems so.
So currently, on the live session,
Mm.
I gave also gave the short opportunity and the buying opportunity. For the buying opportunity, today market created a higher low, but we should not enter on gold for the buying. We should wait for the NFP data to come. After the data, we will decide either its further direction will be a bullish or bearish. ठीक है? But the most thing is the very crucial level is 2135. It's all-time highs. If we just mark the point 0.5 retracement of gold from its this low to this high, our first target will be easily for the bullish side. It will be this level, which is 2112. 2112 will be our target for the bullish side. 2112 bullish target. And for the bearish side, I'm still expecting market to just come to this area around 2060 like this. This will be our area. Now then market will start a new rally from here. We can expect a new rally from here and towards its all-time highs. Like previously gold did was just went down towards 1980 83 levels, then it went up, but the most important thing was there were no as such volumes in this range because gold started ranging from 2013 to 2041, and market was just in consolidation mode like this, doing different it was just printing ranging candles. There were no as such volumes present on the chart, but I am expecting a retracement downwards. Then we will continue the buying levels. For another thing is, from this low to this high, there is still a retracement is pending, which is 2040. These are the two our levels for the retracement, and we can enter for the buy entry, and targets is 2136. This is my analysis on gold. Let's see how market reacts. Over to you, Roy.
Thank you so much, MSK. If you let me share my screen as well, I will be really thankful to you. Sorry guys, so this is DXY in front of you. If you see exactly the price I told you, there is some sort of fight between bulls and bears. So let's see if this level breaks or not, then we would see what would be the next movement. So thank you so much for BTC and gold. So let me see Ethereum, because nowadays it's a crypto craze. Oh my god. So you see, if someone has buy over here, must be really lucky. Within few weeks, really good profit. Anyhow, you would be keep on making profit with Scalping Titans. So if someone has not um, liked or subscribed our channel, I request to subscribe the channel. Anyhow, so let's go to Ethereum on weekly time frame. So price is making lower lows and lower highs. So let's go with the fib retracement. If there is any retracement possible, then I'm taking retracement from this price because it was previous weekly resistance 3592 or 3600, so we can say that one. So price may take some retracement from this level. Okay, so if 0.236, it may come up to 3076. So if someone has if someone could not make some buying, so there are good opportunities over here as well. So there are few fair value gaps as well. So there is one fair value gap over here. That's the one. So okay, so that's 0.236 level as well. So yeah, actually, let me explain ICT and SMC. So ICT, SMC, uh, I know them, I learn them, but I don't believe as a matter of strategies, but these are just entry and exit points like any indicator. So I use them not as a price action or Dow theory, but just as a replacement of or a confluence for Fibonacci retracement as an indicator. So this is first one. If this price is broken, so the last would be the extreme fair value gap would be over here. Okay, so although there are price value gap, fair value gaps, or there is one here, there is one here, so but I give importance to two fair value gaps. That's the top one and the bottom one. So if we see, the bottom one is near to 0.618 and the top one is 0.236. So I can say if this area is broken, 0.236 is broken, price would there are bright chances that price may come to 2425 level, and that would be a good level of buying. This is on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. So in daily one, we can see a trend line as well. Let's see if there is. So there is, this is this is another trend as well. That's the bearish trend. Sorry, this is another pattern as well. This is a bearish pattern. It's usually called megaphone pattern, bearish megaphone pattern, or we can call it expanding pattern. So that's sort of this thing over here as well, if we take this one. So anyhow, for me, there are few chances that there can be some retracement. So I am not sure if this pattern would work and the price would come down, take reverse. So first value is this zone, which is weekly fair value gap as well, 3122 something. Above than that, zero, this is, which is a Fibonacci level as well. The second one is 0.618, is 2430. There is a fair value gap over here as well. So that's on the daily time frame. Uh, I'm expecting a retracement from this level on Ethereum. Okay, so if we go on 4-hour time frame, so 4-hour time frame is sorry, on 4-hour time frame, let me add on an indicator to see if there is a RSI divergence. So if we see for the divergence one, on 4-hour time frame, there is sort of double top. Yeah, or but there is very clear divergence over here. Yeah, it's not double top, it's sort of on 4-hour time frame, it's um, rising wedge pattern sort of, and there is a triangle as well. Okay, and with a very clear and obvious divergence as well. So weekly resistance, bearish patterns, divergence on RSI on 4-hour. So I could see some reversal from here as well, but it won't be that much big. My prediction is up to 3100, 3200 level. So on that's for me for Ethereum. Yeah, up to you, MSK. Yeah.
So let me share my screen.
Sure.
So I have covered gold as well and BTC USD. Now we will look at the JBP USD chart and let's see what's going on JBP USD. Uh, GU is kind of running it was running in a range, but currently we can easily see that market is pumping up to retest the market structure. We will take a swing short position on JPP USD because JPP USD is fundamental weak, and as you all know, the UK is in a recession. Whenever the recession will happen, it will crash. Uh, and on the other side, DXY is getting stronger as compared to the BXY, the British index. As we can clearly see on the daily time frame, just tested our level, which is around monthly candle high, which is around 126 876. Now we will switch it to 4-hour time frame and let's see how what's going on with the GU. And as you can see easily, it tested this wick zone, this area, these all equal candles, and tested this. Now my price is getting little bit rejection from here. I will mark this as you can see. And then if we look at the 3 hour chart, market just JPB USD just manipulated. Price went up and showing characteristics. As you all can see, there is a huge resistance over here on 3 hour time frame or 4 hour or daily. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks of candles. Now we can consider it as it's a supply zone in ICT and SMC, or in price action we can say it's a resistance. What it suits you doesn't matter. It's still a rejection from this zone. From now on, I will switch it to 1 hour time frame and 2 hour time frame, and we will see that what's going on in this time frame. Still, there is a room for price to go up, which is first level is this zone. I will mark it this zone, and the second level is there is a unfilled or untapped wick behind there, which is around 127.096. I am expecting on the Monday. Basically, if I conclude this, it will be like Mondays are always pause move, and I'm expecting to give a false move, and then we can easily short it from these two levels. First level is 1.269 970, and the second level is 1.27100. So it's my analysis on JPP, and our target will be this swing low. If I just zoom my screen, our target for this will be this area, and we will short it from its highs. As you can see easily, there are no as such volume here. Volumes are sitting right here in this zone. Our target for the swing short position will be this area, and we will short it from here. First our entry will be from there. If it hit our SL, then second entry will be, because market structure was broke here, and in SMC you can say change of character or break of structure, or in price action you can easily say that it's just break its previous higher low. And this is our first swing position, and second is our this high. We'll wait for the market to just tap this area, and our SL will be around 25 pips, and this will be our SL. For collective SL we can see easily, this is our collective SL for two entries for the JPP USD, and risk to reward is 2.61, and second is also 2.61. If you want to just decrease your risk to reward, and you want to risk low and get the high rewards, then I will prefer that short it from here, and we will ignore this setup. If it hits our SL or TP, or we will just use sell limits here, and our SL will be 1.27300. If we look at the 4 hour chart and see, is there any level? Yes, there is one level here, which is this wick. It will work as our SL. Now we'll wait for the market to just fill this gap, and we will short it from here. So here is an analysis on JBP USD. Now we will move to US 30. As you can see easily, market is just consolidating over here, and there is no as such price volume here. And this was our low of today, and this was our high. If we just measure the lows and highs of today, and we can get a nice setup in here. And now we will move to 3 hour daily chart. Now we can see that market left a wick here. I'm expecting to go up and fill this wick. Now we will move again and move all the drawings. So this was our daily high. This was our daily low. You can learn easily how to do a charting in intraday easily. We'll go to weekly levels first. On week, the candle is bearish and currently standing on 50% retracement and is going above. So it's a crucial level for us right now to break. First, now we will remove it this 50% retracement, and secondly, then we will go up on the all-time highs, which is this area. So we will mark this zone on the weekly time frame as our all-time high area. So now we will shift our chart to 4-hour chart and to see is there any probabilities behind there or not. So as you can see easily over here that market doesn't have any as such volume, and we will shift it to line chart, and I've marked my low or a daily high, and market just retested its structure here and coming down. So what we can anticipate for it from US 30, that it will go and test these lows easily. Now we will move it to 3-hour chart. As you can see on 3-hour chart, it just tested our 39,040 level, and currently it's down from this level is I guess 50 pips or 50 point. Now, on entry note, what should we do? Or is there any chance to enter a short in this position? No, wait for this. Wait for market to just come up to this level around 39,016, then 39, this zone, then you can short it easily here. Wait for the candle to come up, then we will short it from here. So here is also entry for you, a sell limit for you, which is this on 30-minute time frame, and we can target this candle high, or this candle, this one, or this candle body low easily. Now we will shift it our time frame to 5 minute. Let the candle come up over here, and our stop loss will be around, if we're entering 39,015, then our stop loss should be around this candle high. I will mark the chart. There is a gap over here. This candle, these 3, 4 candles, our stop loss should be around this area. Or if you are considering a 50 pip stop loss, then we can go for 50 pip stop loss, which is around uh, 39,056. But there are huge chances that market will come up to this level and breach test this high as well. So that's why I'm giving a little bit room to this candle, and our risk to reward should be 1:2. So wait for it now. Let's see how it reacts. So here is an insight for you all for the US 30, and I have also given the gold insights. Now and see we will see JBP JPY and what's going on with the JBP JPY. Sadly, it's just hit our SL. Now I'm currently expecting a short position on JPP JPY, but I will remove all the drawings. Let's see. So I am having a little bit internet connection trouble. I will give stage to Roy. Let's see what's going on with my internet connection. So over to you, Roy. I can't hear you. Your mic is still off, I guess.
Oh, thank you so much, MSK. Thank you so much for giving me space for coughing, as I'm not feeling well today. Everyone can listen my voice. It's not okay. So I'm having some cold, flu, and fever. So anyhow, let me give my take on GBP USD. So on GBP USD, I'm on weekly time frame. So um, that's the one. If you see, there is a strong weekly trend line. Okay, so which is coming all the way uh, from top to bottom. So and there is one strong supply zone over here as well on weekly time frame. So price is going to test a weekly uh, trend line which is acting as resistance, and weekly supply zone which is acting as a strong resistance area as well. So I'm expecting if the price comes here, there may be a strong downward move on a weekly time frame. If I consider that can be the first support level, and the next one can be the one support level if the price rejects from this zone. So let's go to the daily time frame. So price seems to be in range on daily time frame. So let me change the color as I use purple for daily time frame. So if we see on GBP USD, price is moving inside a range. So I think so that this time, when next time, first attempt, second attempt, third, fourth, uh, that would be the fifth attempt, price would be going into this range, and uh, because there is a weekly trend line which would be tested first, second, and third time. So I am expecting there are more chances that price may um, take a bearish move. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, if we see there is a sorry price is moving in this pattern, and yeah, price is getting into this zone as well, this supply zone. Yeah, on 4-hour time frame. So let's see what happens on 1 hour. So on 1 hour time frame, price was although in a daily range, but if we see it was making lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so this the previous lower high is just broken. Okay, so price has started moving, started making higher highs and higher lows on lower time frame like 15-minute. If we go over there, okay, so price has started moving that one, although this is small, but yeah, there is something. Now things are clear. So there was a trend line over here on 1 hour which is broken, and if we see on 1 hour time frame and lower time frame, there is a series of um, uh, higher highs and higher lows. So I am anticipating on GBP USD this resistance, it may break. Okay, let's see if there is any sort of divergence on RSI? No. So relative strength index, RSI, this is really healthy as well. Price may retrace from this level, okay, but I anticipate the price may break. There are vivid chances, there are more chances to break this level, but anyhow, market is not owned by anyone, so market can come down as well. So that was my take on GBP USD. So I'm expecting a retracement just to retest this level. Price may, because price may come here to retest this level, because there is a breaker block as well has been formed according to SMC. So a price may come to this breaker block and to maybe uh, more chances that it would go up. So that was my take on GBP USD. So I will go with Euro USD as well. Okay, so Euro USD, let's see on weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, there is a trend line over here on weekly time frame. Okay, so there is very thin line, sort of yeah, a fair value gap over here as well. Okay, so there was one fair value gap over here as well, which is broken now. So let's see what happens. So weekly time frame, so next resistance zone is this price 1.08990. Let's see on daily time frame. On daily time frame, it has if you see, there were previously lower lows and lower highs. So that was the lower high, it's broken. Now price retested, and price there was a trend line here on daily time frame. Okay, so this was the lower high, which was broken and then retested. Okay, and so if price break this higher high, then I may see that there is a clear indication, there would be a clear indication that price may touch this level, may touch up to this fair value gap as well in coming weeks as well. So on 1 hour time, sorry, on daily time frame, price is, it seems like price is taking retracement. So let's see Fibonacci levels as well. So 0.236 level is broken, 0.382. Price just retested that one. Okay, just touched that one. So 0.0, I think so that price may go on Euro USD on weekly, daily time frame, sorry, up to this level 0.618. If we see, there is one, there was, yeah, but it's tapped now. That's fine. Okay, so it's over here. So on daily time frame, it seems to make higher highs and higher lows, seems. Okay, so let's see on 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, that was the last lower high broken. retested. So price is in the range at the moment in 4-hour time frame. Okay, and is testing previous um, resistance at this level. So let's see what happened at this level. So when we would going to the signal, we would go to smaller time frames, and then we would see there what signals are generated. So that's my take on Euro USD. So SK, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Connect.
Please do.
I've just completed all the analysis right now, but
Okay,
currently I'm not in a mood to give another insight of the pairs. I've completed US
okay,
30,
okay. Let
gold
me.
and main.
Okay, okay. So let me go to UK 100. Okay, so let me see UK 100. So UK 100 on weekly time frame, it's like last week I told you, it's still in the range. Okay, which is shrinking. Okay, and since 10th April 2023, price moved into this range. There is another range, a shorter, a shrink. That's the one. So price moved in this range, and it's over here since May 23. Okay, so last week price was here when I predicted it may go short. So now it's clearly moving in the range on weekly time frame. Let's see daily one. In daily one, there are there is a trend line over here. There is if you see this is a double top. Price is forming, previously formed a double top over here, and on the second top definitely uh, strength index was lost. Okay, and now if we see, it's on daily, getting into daily support level as well, recent support. Okay, which rejected the price from this level. Want to like this last week, price was rejected from this level on daily time frame. Let's go to 4-hour. Okay, so on 4-hour time frame, so that's my way, is trend line way, although MSK doesn't agree with it. But anyhow, um, yeah, so price is coming to this level on a sports zone on 4-hour time frame. So we would go on a shorter time frame when we would be giving the trade calls, how things gonna work over here. So yeah, so this is the thing. So 1-hour time frame, uh, market is if you see, market is continuously forming 1-hour time frame. This was the level 20th February. Okay, so there was a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Sorry, higher high. It's there was the lower high and the lower low, lower high, lower low. So price did not break the previous uh, lower high, uh, rejected over, like there was a strong resistance over here. Okay, so now price form rejected from this lower high. If now there are few, what's the options at the moment? So at the moment on 1 hour time frame, price is moving in this range. Okay, so we can play simple support and resistance from like with good risk to reward in this range. Okay, uh, we can wait for good entry on spot and can take a good risk to reward level over here. I'm sorry for my voice, everyone. So this is the thing. So now let's see when we would go to the signal side. So let's go to or so let's go to some more audience. Um, there are few messages over here as well. Okay, so Kashif Hussain, thank you so much. Keep it up. Ehsan Noor, a good suggestion. We will consider. Yeah. So that's fine. Please, your thoughts on BTC current situation. SK has shared his thought on current situation. Thank you so much, Saad Malik, for appreciating our analysis. If you like that one, we deserve a like over here. Uh, please give us a like. And SK, if you don't mind, can you reanalyze BTC on the Kashif's demand? If you can do that.
Okay, I will do it. No problem.
Yeah, sure. And let us know if there are any signals as well, if there are any trade calls
I've
as well
given
over
the
there.
US 30 signal.
Okay, that's fine.
Uh,
If there are
it's
others
going.
as well.
So let me share my screen. So here's a US 30 signal. It's going well now. It went up to tested this low. Currently, we are down from our entry. If I remove this area, we are down currently 17 and 10, 27 pips. We are currently down, and we will break even.
Mm.
This is our this was our entry, and our one is to one is around 30. Our TP1 would be 39, 38,957. This will be our TP1, and now we will hold it till it's low. Currently, we are in a profit. Now I will move my profile to open a new chart. If I open BTC USD chart right now, as I analyzed the previous current situation of BTC USDT on the weekly time frame, it's going up. As I also written, r- the levels are written over here. The first for the long, for the bull side, there is a levels. The first level is 66,850, and the second level is 67,000. But it would be a little bit foolish move to enter long here, because it's not a good ideal area. The ideal area was around 50,000. It was a good area for the BTC, and the next area was 31,170. But currently, I'm expecting it's a correction. It's for the BTC because it's still running, and the correction area is 58 600. And let's see, this is our higher low. 58 600 is the area. Higher low plus Fib 0.50 levels. So I'm waiting for this level to just for the retracement. Then will further decide the next market update. On the daily time frame, it's just printed its high low over here, but I'm currently taking a fib correction of zero point 0.5 retracement for all for a complete rally. So this rally was started here at 50,000 and currently it's standing at 66,346. So this is my insights that I've
So
given
if
the
you
chart.
give us some entry values as well.
I will avoid entering on the BTC chart right now, to be
Okay.
honest.
Okay. That's a wise move. Yeah. Yeah. So let me go through my let me set up my trading charts if you don't mind. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Uh, can you share your screen? Because I'm having little bit issue with it.
Yeah. But still your screen is visible.
I've stopped the screen, by the
Okay,
way.
that's fine. Yeah. So today I will follow four charts: GBP USD, Euro USD, um, UK 100, and gold charts, and would try to give some signals if there is some chances or possibility. So before the um, there is a question from Kashif Hussain. He's asking SK, so you are not looking break all-time high ASAP. What's your take on this thing, SK?
Currently, I'm just anticipating a bull run towards 68,000, but currently it's not possible for the BTC to break its all-time highs because if you can see there's a halving event in April. Then after the halving, then we can expect all-time highs. But currently now, institutions, it's the first time that retailers are not in a FOMO. It's the first time in the history of trading that institutions are in FOMO. So this all the bull run kind of bull run and a rally is paid by them, and they just pushed volumes to it, and now currently it's just going out of hands now. So it's my take on JBP USD chart. Sorry, BTC USD. So let's see. It would be not a wise move to enter in a BTC trade. I will look for the short opportunities, to be honest, from the major key levels of resistance.
Thank you so much, SK. I agree with you. I'm looking some retracement from this level as well as I explained in my ETH. Um, in when I was giving analysis of ETH USDT. So at the moment, like it's as SK said, the retailers are not in FOMO. Like what happened last time in previous bull run, so people are scared. They are not getting trapped easily, but definitely institutions they would trap at some stage, so they would take the prices down. They need retailers to get in, so retailers are avoiding to get in at this price. So yeah, so
Yes, because the last time, sorry for interrupting you. The last time it was just a FOMO created by a huge institutions, and some influencers were paid by them to just create a FOMO and create videos online. So people were just in a hurry to buy a BTC on crucial levels. But at that time, they didn't know that this is all-time high. So now people are getting a little bit wise now, and they are no as such buyers uh, as compared to, if we look at the current scene of the BTC, there are not as much volumes present on the major key levels, and institutions cannot sell it to anyone else. So there, it's a simple rule of market, right? That you should have, or you should need a buyers, and a seller should need a buyers. If I'm selling a one BTC, there will be a buyers waiting for that price, and he will buy it from me. So that's my take on the BTC chart. So there should be a buyer. So there are not enough buyers at this crucial moment of the BTC USD. So buyers will come in. There is a level for the buyers which is around 58,000 to 51,000. They will carry this move up if they want it, but buyers are not present at the 66,850 and 67,000 level. So you can carry now.
Thank you so much, SK. Thank you so much for your take. If anyone like or analyzes, so we would like to see likes on our video. So can let's see if someone likes us. If there is any other question regarding any chart, we can do that, and we will go to the trade calls later on today. Um, so, SK, what's your take on US 100?
I will share a chart. Let's see what's going on in the US 100. Now, currently we are good with our position of US 30, and it's going well. Expecting it to break the structure. And as I
Hmm.
told you that our TP1 is around. Let me share my screen if you allow me to do it by any chance. So here is the US 30. If we look at the 1:1 risk to reward, the second TP will be our, we have shorted from here, and our second TP will be this, and I will expand this. So these are our two take profit levels. Second is uh, around this area. Let's see if the market breaks this structure here. Now we will move it to NAS 100 chart. See, so currently, as you can see easily on the chart, whenever the market structure is roaming around on the chart like this, without any major volumes present, then there will be a move, a crash, as you can say. I'm not biased, I'm not bullish or bearish, but this is my an insight for the Nasdaq 100, that it will crash, and no one will be able to catch the rally of crashing it. Because if you look at it from this higher high to this higher low, or if you look at the monthly chart, so on a monthly chart, the flag is still, there's a bullish flag on the monthly chart, and this is our pole. So next, as I told you, I have given you the targets as well. The targets for the monthly chart is 500. So here are the bullish targets right now. It will be very foolish move, or it will be not good for a trader to short NAS here, because it's printing its all-time highs right now. And after, if we look at the rally of Nasdaq after becoming bearish or becoming bullish, then we can anticipate a 50% retracement from this low to this high, which is around 16,990. This will be a nice level for the market to decide its further move. So if we look at the weekly chart, on weekly chart, I will just mark some retracement levels. First, our important level is this 16,987. This was our important level. So I will wait for the market to retrace at least from here, 500 to 550 level. And I'm pretty sure that after the NFP data, market can drive up to ni- 18 500 zone. So this will be our target. So let's see how it would react currently. And I will short it from 500 to 550, and I will carry that short towards its 50% retracement, which is around this zone of or this candle low. It will be a nice target for us for the Nasdaq, and I will use sell limit target, short target. Don't worry, I will also give you a long target as well. If the market comes here, the stop loss will be around tight 100 pips will be the stop loss. And for the buyers, there will be a chance to enter a buy position around this zone, these two zone, which is this area. This area is very important. Yeah. If the market came down towards this zone, then we can enter a long entry here. If the market come here, then we can expect a long entry towards this, and our stop loss will be this candle low, or our stop loss will be around this candle low, and our TP will be 500. These are the two probabilities for the buyers and the for the sellers as well. So I am taking these two candles high, which is also equal highs for the entry, and I'm let's see if the market comes here, then we can carry it and short it from the all-time highs also. So this is a probably an entry on bigger time frame. If I shift it to 1 day time frame, so our entry will be from here, and for the long entry we can expect this level and carry this long towards this 523 level, and our stop loss will be behind this low. So this is our long entry. Let's see how market reacts. Here is the insight of Nasdaq. Over to you, Roy.
Thank you so much, SK. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so sorry, as I told you that I am following today these four charts: GBP USD, Euro USD, UK 100. Although at the moment not a good time to trade, but anyhow, and gold. So let's go for a breakdown for GBP USD. So how I would be doing. So if you see, this is a resistance. Price is on resistance on 4-hour time frame. Okay, and price is clearly forming higher highs, higher lows. 1-hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, so price is going to just, if you see, there was a this soon. Display zone. Yeah. So there is nothing like its price is touching the resistance area, supply area, moving into the okay, no divergence over here at all. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So price is clearly forming. Okay, it's higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and on 5-minute time frame, price is forming higher highs, higher lows. So let me draw. This was the higher high. This was the higher low. Okay, and this was the previous higher high as well. So I would be considering long position if price breaks this level a bit more bit that one. You can say it's GBP USD. So my first call would be if long call, then it would be over here. Let me take the coordinates. So that would be the long call. If I would take that one, that would be my stop loss, that would be my take profit. 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, just based upon higher highs, higher lows, Dow Fury. And if price breaks this level, if stop loss is hit, and if price sorry, that's the latest one higher high, that's the latest one higher low. If price breaks this level, then I would be short on the position. If price breaks this level, close the one, then price would go up to form a lower high. Then price breaks this level or something like this, then I would be shorting that one, and I will take my take profit level like this. So let's see how does the thing work. Okay, so price is at the moment, it's uh, I'm price is making higher high, higher low on a strong resistance level. So before the price breaks strong resistance, I won't take any entry, or if the price makes some sort of uh, breaks the trend, like this is the trend over, there is a trend line here as well on 5-minute time frame, which is working. So it's better to wait and trade rather than trade and wait. So I would be waiting. There must be a clear move, okay, on this resistance level, 4-hour resistance. Then I would go on buy side, or if this level is broken, then I would go on the bearish side as well. So I am waiting at the moment. Let the price make some move, then we would see. Okay, on Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, it's on 4-hour time frame. So it's again on a resistance price on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so although price is making higher highs, higher lows, so there was the higher high price is going to test the one at the moment price is in the range. So I would see on lower time frame how price work that one, so maybe I need to wait. So 1 hour time frame, yeah, so price is clearly in the range. Okay, so just testing this level, 4-hour resistance. Okay, so is there any RSI divergence? No, RSI has been less than 70. So 15-minute time frame, price is forming higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so on 5-minute time frame, okay, so that was the previous higher high which has been broken, and that was the previous higher low on 5 minutes time frame. So price broke the previous higher high. Okay, so it came down, tested previous higher low, previous higher high, price broke it, came down, tested, then it's going towards 4-hour resistance. So price is near to 4-hour resistance, so I would not consider uh, any um you can say, because it's not giving me a good risk reward ratio. If I take long entry over here up to the it would be a risky trade with less risk to reward ratio, so I would wait if the price makes a move. So let's see if there is any trend line over here as well. So there is a trend line, so I see SK, I believe the price has made its move, and now its market seems to cool down. What do you think? Do you think so in the same way? I don't see any uh, big move today because price has already pumped, but let's see.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same. It will retrace a bit
Yeah.
because at least a 50% retracement or a 0.16618 retracement is required
Mhm.
for the further
For the
move.
next move, yeah. Yeah, there is
Yeah.
a falling wedge pattern as well. So if we see price is going high, but RSI is losing its strength. So this is the thing. So next chart I would be following today would be uh, gold. Gold is in the same situation, same condition. Okay, so has pumped. So I think so the there is everything from my side for today. So SK, if you want to add on anything, so I would be following these charts. I have given values for GBP USD today for both situation. If it moves upward, then what would be its long position, and if it moves comes down, what would be its short position. So both way I have given the values, SK has given the values as well. So I would be going with these values to take trade. So let's say I would be following, but definitely I can't wait you on my screen for hours and hours when price takes moves. So yeah, from my side, it's all done. So anything from you, SK?
Let me share my screen if you allow me.
Yeah, sure.
Uh, we were in the session, and I gave you the target of bullish target was 21.12, and it's close to it just missed by 29 pips. And currently, we can see easily that market is in a different mood right now, and it's going up. And currently now for the current scene situation, it's giving us a 50% retracement is still required for the market right now. And let's see how it reacts. I am done from my side, and look at the BTC, and it's also pumping. So it's not a good day. Mondays are always bad for the traders to trade. And let's see how market reacts. I am waiting for the market to give us a new trade call. Let's see. And currently on the JBB USD chart, see, it's pumped very badly and destroyed all the levels. And I've given two levels for the short, but Troy was on the long side. But
No, no, no. I always play both sides.
okay, so for the short scene, I will wait market for to retest back on in this zone, and I will short it as much as I can because
So
there is
my
a trend.
bullish entry is entered. My bullish entry is entered now. My bullish entry on GBP USD is active now. Bull side entry. Oh my God, I'm in profit, profit, profit.
So there is a trend line also here, and we will wait for the trend line to just get retest, and let's see how it reacts. So I am done from my side.
Yeah,
So we will now close the session, I guess. Is it the right time?
yeah, it's the right time. My bullish entry is active now. Okay, so I would close on half
Hmm.
position on 0.50, and on 1 to 1 I would close all of my position. So as you know, guys, that I'm not feeling well, so need some break as well because it's like couple of hours we are continuously speaking, so my throat is not allowing me to speak for that long, so need a break, guys. So we have changed our time from tomorrow, so we have two sessions. One is the UK session we would be having, that would be from 10 a.m. GMT, or most viewers are from Pakistan, so that would be 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. It would be 1.5 hour, so we would be providing analysis, everything over there, and then the second session would and trade calls, definitely trade calls as well. So as we have given two trade calls today, one by MSK and one call I have given today, and the another and both are seem successful at the moment. So my bearish call on GBP USD, keep it active even if market take reverse, and if market break my level, if market took the entry, so definitely it would take profit as well. So this is the thing. So there would be two sessions from tomorrow, 1:10 a.m. GMT for UK session. The another one would be on sorry, 1:30 GMT. So that would be 6:30 Pakistan time. Uh, see you tomorrow, guys. Over and all from me, and bye everyone. See you tomorrow, and do pray for my good health, for my good throat, and I'm signing off for today.
I'm also signing off with Roy because it's enough for today's screening, and It's enough for today's good calls. As you can see, I think my screen is shared, and sorry, US 30 is hitting is about to hit our TP. Getting rejection from here, but let's see how it reacts. It's still in a profit, and we are currently down from the entry point to where the market is right now is around 34 points, I guess. Yep, 34 to 40 points. I'm expecting to break these lows and test these middle area. So I'm done. Let's see how it will react with us. And MSK signing off. Uh, don't let the market to just I just wanna say that FOMO is the killer of your trading, and FOMO is the killer of your inner peace as a trader. So don't let the FOMO drive your trading. MSK signing off. Love this.